To AIA 2019 in Las Vegas. We're in the Azon booth with Patrick. Patrick, how you doing?
Good.
So we talk about new product launches all the time. You got a very cool one called Azon. Can you tell our audience about what Azon is and what it does?
Azon is a new thermal barrier. It's a high-density polyurethane foam. Traditional pour-into-bridge urethane and polyamide have been the standard in the industry since 1970. So this is really the first innovation since those two.
Wow.
The thing about this new thermal barrier is the conductivity. We've got it down here, you can see. Polyamide's 2.3, standard pour-into-bridge is 0.84, and our Azon now is 0.20. So it's the lowest thermal conductivity thermal barrier on the market. Also lets you go to a larger thermal barrier, which even reduces the heat flow further. It was developed in Europe by a company called SAS. They were trying to meet passive house requirements, and it's the first aluminum window that met those passive house requirements and still is the only window that meets those passive house requirements.
So innovation and high performance is really what's driving the next generation of this.
Right, energy codes around the world are getting tighter and tighter, and people are having to use things like photovoltaic cells to make up for that energy loss through the fenestration products. This has actually allowed a lot of the schools in the UK to stay away from having to add that cost of photovoltaics on their roofs and just use the fenestration product that's a higher energy efficiency.
So cost savings too.
Cost savings, yes,
Nice.
Definitely.
So we're talking about performance. Let's walk over here. We have another new product. So there's a new marriage between curtain wall and thermal barriers, right?
Yes, curtain wall, stick-built curtain wall, glass facades. We're in Vegas, you see them everywhere. Traditionally, it's been a thermal isolator to meet the energy codes and the energy efficiency. Well, there's the new focus now, as we mentioned with the other product,
Right.
with energy codes. This isolator now isn't enough to meet the energy codes and give the building owners the savings they want. So they're going to a true thermal barrier. Curtain wall takes a lot of load, wind load pressures, multiple stories, those kind of things. So it's got to be structural as well as thermal. And that's really what we're starting to see is the new shift in designs with this true thermal barrier and curtain wall.
Innovation, performance, cost savings, all in one place. Check Azon out.